How to add multiple Gmail accounts. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple Gmail accounts in your device. So let's dive right in. First things first, you will need to head over to your Gmail app and then go to your profile in the top right, and there you can find add another account option. Just tap on it, then you can tap on Google, and you can just hit continue, and it will take you to accounts.google. And then you can just put in the email address of your Google account, your password, verify it, and that's it. It will be added to your Gmail account. It's as simple as that. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.